Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the different errors in permanent magnet moving coil and moving iron instruments. Okay, so in these two instruments we are having the errors like a frictional error, second one is a temperature error, third one is the frequency error, fourth one is Gray magnetic field error. Okay, so these are the four errors. These occurs in the PMMC and the MI instruments. So now we are going to discuss one by one in detail these errors. So first, frictional error. So why the frictional error occurs? Frictional error occurs due to the moving parts in the instrument. Okay, so if you check, this error first of all occurs due to moving parts. Moving parts. Okay, so how this error can be reduced? This error can be reduced by increasing the torque per weight ratio. By increasing torque per weight ratio. Torque per weight ratio. This error can be reduced, right? Now if you compare moving coil and the moving iron instrument, out of these two, in which instrument this error will be more? If you check, in the permanent magnet moving coil, in the PMMC we are having a moving coil, and whereas in the MI instrument we are having a moving iron, that is a piece of iron we are having, or the disc of iron. So if you check the weights, okay, definitely the weight of the moving coil will be more compared to the weight of the iron piece or the iron disc. Okay, because in the moving iron we are having a very small iron disc. Okay, whereas in PMMC we are having a coil, okay, which is moving. So therefore the weight of the moving coil is more compared to the moving iron. So due to that, the frictional error will be more in PMMC compared to MI. Okay, this error is more in PMMC compared to MI, right? Next, second we are having temperature error. So due to the temperature, actually the meter resistance increases. So that's why the meter shows the lesser reading. Because resistance increases means current flowing through the circuit will be lesser, and due to the lesser current the deflection will be lesser, means the meter will show the lesser reading. Okay, so due to temperature, meter resistance increases and indicates less than the actual value, right? So how to reduce this error? This error can be reduced by putting a swamping resistor in series with the meter. Okay, To reduce this error, a swamping register swamping, okay, register is connected in series with meter. So generally swamping register is a 30 to 40 times than the meter resistance. Swamping register value is 30 to 40 times meter resistance, right? And it is made up of swamping resistance. I am writing it as R swamp, okay, is made up of manganese for DC. Okay, for DC meters, it is made up of manganese, and for AC, it is made up of constantan, right? So this is the temperature error. Okay, next, third one we are having, it is the frequency error. So what is the frequency error? If same input is measured at different frequencies, then the meter gives different values. It is called the frequency error. Are you getting the point? Means suppose I am measuring, suppose we are having a moving iron instrument, and I am measuring a 5 volt AC voltage first of all at 50 hertz. Suppose at that time the meter is showing correctly at 5 volt. But suppose again I am measuring the 5 volt AC at a frequency of 60 hertz, then the meter will not show the 5 volt, right? The meter will show some different reading, okay? And that this is nothing but the frequency error, okay? So now if you check the moving iron and the moving coil, that is a PMMC and MI, in which instrument the frequency error will be more? If you check in PMMC, it does not work for AC, okay? So that's why the frequency is not, frequency error will not be present in PMMC, right? No frequency error, because it works only on DC. No frequency error, right? Moving iron, frequency error is present. Frequency error is present, right? Next, the fourth error we are having, the stray magnetic field error. Stray magnetic field error, right? Stray magnetic field error. In stray magnetic field error, this error is due to the surrounding magnetic fields, okay? Effect of surrounding magnetic fields on the inside working field, okay? Inside or the operating field of the instrument, okay? So this is due to external magnetic field operating field inside meter is disturbed, right? So due to surrounding field or the external field, the inside operating field is disturbed, okay? And this is nothing but the stray magnetic field error, okay? Stray magnetic field error. Now the stray magnetic field depends on the magnitude of external magnetic field and its direction, okay? Next, so how to reduce this error? This error can be reduced by using shielding, iron shielding. Used to reduce error. Now if you check PMMC and the MI, in which case the stray magnetic field error will be more. If you check in PMMC, we're having a permanent magnet field due to permanent magnet, and the field due to permanent magnet, it will be stronger than that of the field of electromagnet in the moving iron instrument. Okay, so that's why the stray magnetic field error will be lesser, okay, in PMMC, as field of permanent magnets is present, is strong, therefore error is lesser. As the operating field is strong, so therefore the effect of the surrounding magnetic field, it will be lesser, okay. Whereas in MI, field is weak, operating field is weak, therefore error is more, error, right. This is about the errors in the moving coil and the moving iron instruments. Thank you.